Howdy guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to put this headset onto my brand new helmet. I don't know how to do it, so I guess we'll figure it out together. Let's begin. Okay, so after that ordeal, let's try to put it on my head and see if it doesn't fall apart. Every time it catches my ear. Okay. So I have this. It's a bit back, but it's not the end of the world. Okay. Seems like it worked. Okay, perfect. Next stage is to attach the camera, but for that I'll have to wait until Sunday when all of the equipment arrives. So I hope you enjoyed this video of me fumbling about trying to install this thingamajig. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. But before you go, let's check if this thing turns on. And this is the best part of it all, to take off this nylon thing. We hold. And it's alive. Now, it's not a turny thing. It's that's strange. Okay, the hold button presses. You hear that? That's the radio.
Based on your needs, you'll find transparent and honest pricing.
That's impressive that it has radio.
Get your free quote online today at Harrison's.
I mean, I knew that it had radio, but I didn't really think that the radio will work. Let's see how I hear it in the inside. Okay, it's not too bad, I gotta say. The volume is fairly good. I can't hear it the max volume because it's blowing my eardrums. Anyway, have a good day, guys.